Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to easily withdraw money from Binance to your bank account using P2P. Let's get started. First, open the Binance on your browser or app and log into your account. Step 2. Click on Trade and select P2P from the menu. Step 3. Switch to the Sell tab. Choose the currency you want to withdraw and select a buyer who supports your preferred payment method. For example, what bank account or e-wallet. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to sell, select your payment method, and confirm the trade. The buyer will send the money directly to your bank account. Once you receive the payment, confirm it in Binance and release the crypto to the buyer. That's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account using P2P. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How To for more easy guides. See you next time.